Welcome, students. Let's go shopping. Here is an example of how your dialogues can look. This is the shop assistant. And this is the customer. Hello, how can I help you? Hi, I need some things for school. Do you have pencils? Yes, here are the pencils. Thanks. How much is it for 2 pencils? That's 12 pounds, please. And do you have erasers too? Yes, we do. The erasers are here. How much are the erasers? They are £1.50. Can I have 2 erasers then? Of course. Here you are. Do you need anything else? Yes. Where are the folders? The folders are over there. Do you have green folders? I'm sorry, I don't have green folders. That's okay. I can take 6 blue folders. How much does everything cost? That's £21.60 for 2 pencils, 2 erasers, and 6 folders. Anything else? Oh no, I forgot. Can I have a box of felt tips and a bag of stickers? I'm sorry, we don't have stickers, but the felt tips are here. How much are they? They are £1 for a box. That's £22.60 for everything. Here you are. Thank you. Thanks. Here's your change. Have a nice day. Thank you. Goodbye. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Your English teacher,